Well, hey, it's Nat. It's gotten a lot colder around here, so we're going to make some focaccia bread. This bread is so light and fluffy. You start with adding your flour and your yeast and your water, and then you just going to mix that up until it's well combined, and then you're going to add your olive oil and your honey, and then you're going to mix that till it's well combined, okay? So once it gets well combined, then you're going to cover it. Now, I just sat mine in the microwave with a cup of hot steaming water. That way, I left the lid a little cracked so it would rise a little more. You're going to cover it 30 minutes. When it comes out, it's going to be bubbly. You're going to oil your hands, and you're going to fold it 4 times in the bowl. Just 4 times, okay? That's all you got to do. This is a really easy, quick bread to make, hands-on wise. It does have to bake for about a half hour. So you're going to cover it for an hour and put it in someplace warm. Again, I use a microwave with a steaming cup of water, okay? While that's we waited till it was doubled and bubbled, and then we're going to put it in the pan. First, you're going to coat the pan in olive oil. It seems like a lot of olive oil, but it ain't focaccia without olive oil, okay? So trust me on this. So it's a lot of olive oil, and then you're going to coat it in olive oil, and you're just going to knead it a couple of times till it's nice and round. And then you're going to coat it in your saran wrap and clip that to your pan and put it someplace warm for another about 30 to 45 minutes. Preheat your oven to about 530. Cut up your ingredients. And I got some thyme and rosemary, some mushrooms. I got some sun-dried tomatoes and some olives. I just want to remind you guys to subscribe if you're watching and you haven't subscribed yet. Please do that. Every little bit helps. Comment if you bake this and if you liked it. You can do the one that goes overnight if you want to. I wanted this one quick to go with my steak tips and mushrooms tonight. So then you're going to dimple it. You're going to do it just like my collagen thighs. You're just going to dimple, 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 dimple. That helps the bubbling in between your ingredients when you put those on the top. And then you're just going to spread your toppings on like I'm doing here. I spread it out according to who likes what on my family. Some people don't like olives, so I only put that on the half. Some don't like the tomatoes, so I only put that on half. But it's going to bubble up real good between all those toppings, and it's going to be so soft and fluffy. I want to thank you guys again for 5,000 followers and subscribers on YouTube and TikTok. Please keep liking. Please keep subscribing. Every little bit helps. This is something I'm not giving away. We're going to keep it, but look, I like mine brown like that. No, I did not burn it. I did this on purpose because we like it good and crisp. Look how fluffy on the inside, though. Oh, my gosh. It was so good. Okay. Like, subscribe. Love you.